Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
So I just want to thank you, and I want to wish and plead with our citizens, even as NLC I said was the one to go on strike. It's not a time for strike. So the point is, during the campaign trail, every of our presidential candidates, 13 or 14 of them, all of them said that the first thing they're going to do is to remove the subsidy. So what has changed? What has the current president said, or what has he done that is different from any of the other aspirants who have done? So, I mean, we need to be very patient. It's not even done a week, right? And so let us talk to ourselves and say that we shouldn't turn this thing political. Let's wait and support this man. He's not done a week on the job. Let him go and reflect, and at the sub-national level, we're ready to support him. So the point is not, any strike will not solve anything. It will certainly will not be. The point will be, how are we going to ensure that there is a turnaround in our economy, that we can live? He has mentioned something around, the better wage. We have started that in Lagos. We're prided ourselves that we started it in January. So other parts of the country can also do the same. And we don't need to wait for national government. We just need to reflect, what the challenges are in our country, and let's be able to solve it. So I want to plead with the Nigerian Labour Congress, NLC, and it shouldn't turn into a political thing, because we are beginning to see